Hello guys, today we will talk about Android architecture and few basics of Android Studio and how to create the project. As you can see in the screen, these are the different versions of Android. Each version has different features, it has different libraries and they have difference internally in terms of development. Let's start with the architecture. As you can see in the architecture, the first layer is application layer. Application layer means it has different applications installed, like we have phone application, browser app. That so this basically the application layer will support applications. Like we have camera app, it will have camera driver, libraries, and that is it has camera framework, right? So this is called application framework that supports the application, that provides drivers and libraries. As you know, here you can see it has Linux kernel. So while Linux kernel, anyone should have, everyone should have question like what is kernel and why Linux kernel is used. So Android is based on Linux kernel. Here kernel is basically core of OS that helps higher level software to interact with lower level hardware. So it gives access to higher level application software and to deal with lower level hardware. It's a kind of a bridge between software and hardware. And so here Linux has all core drivers like camera, we used camera driver, right? So it has set of programs, that is drivers, that helps us to communicate with hardware. Now you can see here libraries. Each version of Android gives the libraries, and in each version the libraries gets added. Like if we take as an example Facebook application, there is a news feed in action bar, that is toolbar. So it is supported in API level 11 and above. Earlier it was not present in each uh, in earlier version it was different one. Now we will learn about how to create Android application. First go to file, new, and a new project. Here you will have to give application name, hello world. This is domain name. Name of domain, it's not compulsory actually, but in we should have a package name like this. We have a package name. So if I give here code kaksha, so here in package name we'll have code kaksha dot hello world. In the package name it should have at least one dot and one word. This is least expected. And the use of package name is that any application has its own ID. Like, let me show you. I will open a browser. Yeah. Here you can see com.facebook.katana. It's a package name. Likewise, each project will have its unique package name. We'll start. You can select minimum SDK level. You can choose any lower level. I have just selected empty activity and wait for 2-3 minutes to start. The project is starting. As you can see here, in the left side of the panel, you can see two things, Android and project files. Android. Android, it has only important files that are needed for development. And these are project files. It will have all the files. And here, as you can see, there are two types, Java and resource files. Java, we have main activity in the Java class. Okay. So here we have package name. Actually, there are two parts for Android application. The first one is Java part. It will show you the behavior of application. And then another is resources part, that is XML. XML means it will give the UI for an application. So what is an activity in Android? As you see in this package, there is a file main activity.java. So activity is user interface which is shown to user. For example, when you open Facebook first screen and it will show you search the home screen, or if you can see the notification screen. So each page is a screen. Okay. So in the main activity, here you can see class extends app compact activity. This activity is subclass of an activity. This is newly defined activity class which is added in API level 23. In this activity, here you can see set content view. The content view is UI and you are setting it. As you can see, r.layout.main activity. This R is registry file. Sorry. R is a registry file and you don't have to do anything in that file. It is automatically generated. So what is use of this registry file, r.java file? So it is used, like for example, XML file is somewhere and activity class is somewhere. So how activity will know where is the file and where is the XML file and what is the UI? So R is used to search the address. So what is job of R file? R.java file continuously keeps addresses of XML file and it updates it. So these were the main basics of Android application. Register to Code Kaksha to learn in detail.